Baby learning.
Hi there, little friend. I'm Bookie, and I'm so excited to take you on an alphabet adventure. Are you ready to learn your ABCs? Let's go. Here comes the letter A. A is for apple, isn't it? It's shiny and red. Look at them jumping together. B is bouncing in. B is for ball. Watch it bounce up and down. C is for cat. Look at them playing together. Here comes the D. D is for dog. Look at its wagging tail. E is for elephant. See how strong it is with its long trunk. F is for flower. They're so beautiful. G is grooving in for the guitar. H is for hat. How many different hats can you see? I is for igloo. Wow, can you feel how cold it is? J is for jellyfish. Look at how beautiful and glowy it is. K is for kite. Watch it soar high in the sky. L is for lemon. Ooh, it looks so sour and tangy. M is for moon. Isn't it magical in the night sky? N is for nest. Look at the cozy home for the bird family. O is for octopus. Octopus have 8 wiggly legs. P is for penguin. Can you make a P sound? Pa, pa, penguin. Q is for quail. Can you make a Q sound? Cool, cool, quail. R is for rabbit. Watch it hop around so fast. S is for snake. Can you hear it hiss? T is for turtle. Look at it moving so slow. U is for umbrella. Perfect for a rainy day. V is for violin. Listen to its beautiful music. W is for whale. See it splash in the ocean. X is for xylophone. Can you hear the music notes? Y is for yo-yo. Watch it go up and down. Z is for zebra. Look at its black and white stripes. Wow, we did it! We learned all the letters from A to Z. Thanks for joining me on this alphabet adventure. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and clicking on the bell icon. Bye-bye!